This is my Chevy Colorado ZR2 on Gold Mountain Trail, Big Bear, California in mid-September. "7,000 feet up, warm air, tight trails, and way too many rocks for someone who just wanted a chill day trip." I thought I was just doing some light off-roading with friends, but Gold Mountain had other ideas. So here's the plan. We came up to Big Bear to hit Gold Mountain Trail. I brought my ZR2, my buddy Josh brought his ZR2, same year, just a different color. And Brian showed up with his Tacoma TRD Pro. I figured, what could go wrong, right? The weather was perfect, the views were insane, and spirits were high. But if you've ever been to Big Bear to off-road, you know the mountain's got a way of humbling you real quick. You ever heard a sound and you're not sure if it's a skid plate, the sliders, or your soul leaving your body? Yeah, that one. That was me on the first obstacle, and it's called the Gatekeeper. The name isn't just for show. It's basically the trail's bouncer. If you can't make it past here, you might as well turn around and head home.
You're good. Turn this way. Are you gonna drop right here? Just a little. That's it, you're dropping off. That's just a slider. You're good.
The ZR2 flexed through it like a champ. Multimatics doing what multimatics do. The Tacoma, well, it made it. We hit some switchbacks on the way up. Then I saw the Waterfall. And despite the name, there's no water. Just steep, nasty rocks that made me question what I got myself into. I'm not gonna lie, this is what the ZR2 was built for. But this was one of those moments where I realized I might be doing too much for a truck I still drive to Costco.
All right, turn driver. There you go. There it is. Free.
I didn't have my front lockers on.
Oh, that makes it harder. He's gonna have a hard time.
Josh and I maneuvered our way through with some careful spotting. On the other hand, the Tacoma needed a little bit more love. But hey, no shame. This trail is no joke.
Straight up.
We made our way up the trail, but I was wondering what other obstacles were waiting for me up ahead. Then came the boneyard. They call it that for a reason. It's the sound the tires make while driving over all those loose rocks, like bones being crushed underneath you. This section eats up bumpers, steps, and your pride.
Climb up this little rock right here and turn hard driver. There you go.
What am I caught on?
Hard driver, yeah. You're gonna come up right here on this left side of this big rock. Back up like 2 feet. A little more. Stop.
Okay.
You're okay, you're good. Keep coming. Keep coming hard. There you go, good.
And then you go, that's the line?
Good. A little more passenger. There you go. All right, straight. Keep coming straight. Okay, driver.
Keep coming?
Stop. We're gonna hit that. Back up a little bit. There you go. Now turn hard driver. You should be clear. That should be it. You should be good now. Woo!
ZR2s made it through, but Brian and the Taco got hung up real bad.
What do we got? Okay.
Maybe try hard driver.
We spent a while stacking rocks, trying different angles, traction boards, pulling straps, you name it. It's the kind of moment that tests your patience and your gear.
I don't think that did anything. Did it move him? Holy shit.
Eventually, we got him out with the help of a jack. It would have been nice to have a winch. Thank God nobody broke anything major. But make no mistake, we definitely bent some shit up. We left some paint and a little bit of sanity on that trail. After that, the trail seemed pretty chill the rest of the way up to the top. So, here's what I've learned. This kind of rock crawling, it's awesome. But is it for me? Nah, I don't think so. At least not in my daily driver. I love the ZR2 and how it handled the mountain. But my heart's in the desert. Give me sand, whoops, and wide open throttle all day. Rock crawling? I'll leave that to the guys with 37s and tube doors. Still, Big Bear was epic. Gold Mountain gave me a whole new respect for this kind of wheeling. Now for me, it was a reminder to know your lane and your diff clearance. I appreciate you guys watching Tactical Drive, where sometimes we may jump into shit we aren't quite ready for, but at least we learned something along the way. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit that like button, and I hope I've earned your sub. I'll see you on the next one.